ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्ट्वागुंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः प्रज्ञानांशु प्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगांस्तविष्टान् पुनरपि धिषणोत् आसितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुम् मायया भोजयन्नः माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजम् ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राशभोगांस्तविष्टान् पश्चाश्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगण आत्मसौ नस्तुरीयः
मंत्र 3
जागरितस्थानः बहिष्प्रज्ञः सप्ताङ्गः एकोनविंशतिमुखः स्थूलभुक् वैश्वानरः प्रथमः पादः स्वप्नस्थानः अन्तःप्रज्ञः सप्ताङ्गः एकोनविंशतिमुखः प्रविविक्तभुक् तैजसः द्वितीयः पादः.
The second pada of Atma, who is considered as having 4 padas. These padas, etc., are only means to gain Atma knowledge divided by Shruti, not actually as such. The earlier one in terms of 3 states of consciousness, whereas the 4th one is the common denominator that is there in and through the 3 and also independent of the 3. So now we are seeing the Bhashya. Sapnasthana. What is Sapnasthana? The one whose field of identification is dream state. The Sapnasthana. Now the question is, what is the cause of Sapna? What gives rise to dream? Sapna is dream. What gives rise to dream? So that is one by one is 2. Jagrat Pradnya. We have to read that Jagrat Pradnya.
जागृत प्रज्ञा अनेक साधना बहिः विषये विषया इव अवभासमाना मनस्पंदन मात्रा सती तथा भूतं संस्कारं मनसि आदत्ते.
If you want to learn short, Jagrat Pradnya Manasi Sanskaram Adhatti. Jagrat Pradnya, that is Pradnya Chaitanya, qualified by, featured by, waking state, says Manasi, in the mind, Sanskaram Adhatti. Adhatti deposits, implants or lodges what? Sanskaras, impressions or vasanas in accordance with the waking state experiences and waking state. So what is that waking state? How is it distinct from the dream state? One by one, that is true. First we have come up to avabhasamana, Jagrat Pradnya, that is the cause of Sapna dream is being now explained. Jagrat Pradnya, Aneka Sadhana. Now contrast is drawn from between the dream state and the Aneka Sadhana. Anekani means vividhani, varieties of. Sadhanas means karanas, instruments. In that waking state, you are using jnanendriyas, karmendriyas, externally available. Are you using them in the dream state? No. So, aneka karanani. Many karanas are instruments of cognition, knowledge and action are used. So therefore, aneka karana. So aneka sadhana, pradnya sadhana, that is the feminine. Pradnya is feminine word, therefore sadhana. Bahir vishaya iva avabhasamana. Avabhasamana, appearing as what is called as Sakshi Bhasya, directly illumined by Sakshi Chaitanya. What does it illumine or make you know directly? Bahir Vishaya Iva Pradnya. That Chaitanya, as though qualified by Bahir Vishaya. Bahir Vishaya, external objects. Means, but he says, Iva. Jagrat Pradnya Bahirvishaya Iva. Jagrat Pradnya Aneka Sadhana. Jagrat Pradnya Bahirvishaya Iva. Why that Iva is said? Are they not the external object Vishayas? Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasagandha, are they or not? Yes or no? Why that Iva is brought there? Iva means what? As if. As if. Bhashyakara doesn't know. Why that? As if. See, such things you should be very careful. Who has told that? Bhashyakara. Suppose Krishna says something and from our common intelligence it means something else. You can't conclude what Krishna doesn't know. That is okay for PhD. A topic for thesis of PhD. That is fine. Something, because these external objects are produced by what? Avidya. Ignorance of your Swarupa. And avidya is false in nature. Therefore, its product, mind, is false in nature. The product of mind, that Bahirvishayas are false in nature, but they appear to be what? Real. So therefore, Eva, see, only one innocent word there. Eva. Eva, as though, as if, Eva. That is the Vishaya Eva, means Truly, they are not there. Come on, you prove that truly they are not there. External objects truly are not there. Really are not there. Come on, prove. What you will have to tell first? You will have to give the definition of what is reality. Huh? Is it not? What is reality? That which exists in the trikala, 3 periods of time. External object, do they? In sleep? They are, don't say, no, I was sleeping, but they were there. That is not our concern. Our world is individualistic. Public world created by Ishvara is one and the same. But we as the individual jivas, what we eke out, what experiences we get, that is our, for example, what is lying there is a rope. Mr. A passed by and he was, a rope. Mr. B passed by, started running. Why? Snake. What is there is only what? Rope. He knew rope as rope, this person is running as snake. Different world or not? So like that. So that will be the case. So individual thing. True, they are there for others who are away, but not for me. That is why one and the same world is heaven for many, hell for many. Is it not? Ask the people who are rolling in luxury of five-star hotels. Oh, the great world is great. Ask those people, poor people who are not able to get even a 1 square meal per day, running here and there for a few crumbs of food. Ask them what the world is. Public world, Ishvara Srishti is what? One and the same. So therefore it is that. So you can't say, no, all the time they are no. When you are sleeping, they are not there, means what? Dismissed. Reality definition, does it hold good? No. Therefore they are what? Appearance, false in nature, like your dream. Your dream tiger really created terror in your mind. Real? No. So like that. So therefore, Bahirvishaya eva avabhasamana appears to be there a Sakshi Bhasya. Sakshi Bhasya means directly illumined, directly made known by what? Sakshi Chaitanya, because these are in terms of Antakarana Vrittis, they are in terms of the thought, not like external objects. External objects are presented to you through Indriyas and Antakarana Vritti. Here Indriyas have no role, they are not there at all. So therefore, that is Sakshi Bhasya, that is what is called as what? The Avabhasamana. Why they are so? Because they are, in fact, do you know what they are? Manaspandana matra. They are nothing but, they are only manaspandana, manovikara. Spandana means no vibrations. Vibrations. Shift movement. So, mana vibration of mind is what? Vikara. Changes in terms of what? Thoughts. Manaspandana matra sati. So, all Jagrat Pradnya being of such nature as described what? Aneka sadhana, Bahirvishaya iva avabhasamana, manaspandana matra. But only manaspandana, only the vikara, only the modification, only the projection of what? Mind. What is that? Only means, come on. Without corresponding external objects. without corresponding bahya vishayas, external sounds, touch, etc. Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha. So they are not. See? Tatha bhutam samskaram. Tatha bhutam means similar to Jagrat experience, similar to waking objects, etc. Similar to waking experiences, similar to waking object. Tatha bhutam, similar to them. What does it do? Samskaram, impressions, or what are called as what? Vasanas, latent impressions in the mind. So, adhatte, deposits, lodges, implants. Who implants? Jagrat Pradnya. Beginning, Jagrat Pradnya. Then what happens? See, all this is to describe the cause of what? Dream. Up to what level we have come? The waking state experiences, the Chaitanya characterized by Jagrata Avastha, deposits in your mind the vasanas in accordance to waking state. Then what happens? You have got now blueprint or the film. What you have to do? You have got a film. What is that? Get an arc light and what? Shoot the arc light. What do they get? Movie. What type of movie? Comedy, tragedy. Now you have got a film now. And now how the dream gets projected. Continue.
tat manaha tatha sanskrutam chitritaha iva patau.
Correct it pataha, because in many books it's pataha. Pataha is correct one. Kailas Ashram patau is there. Pataha iva.
Pataha bhaya sadhanan apeksham.
Bhaya sadhanan apeksham. Don't split it.
Bhaya sadhanan apeksham.
Anapeksham is there. There is no apeksham. Anapeksham. Bhaya sadhanani anapeksham.
Avidya kama karma bihi preryamanam jagratvat avabhasate.
That mind appears to be like this in terms of dream. Which mind? Wherein Jagrata Avastha, waking state, has deposited the Jagrat Samskaras, waking state impressions. So your mind is now uploaded, present day. Uploaded with what? The waking state experience. I mean, computer language. You have to use what can be done. Okay. So they upload. Because it's easy to grasp. It's easy to grasp. It's uploaded. Now how it gets downloaded? So it is uploaded with the samskaras. I am computer illiterate, okay? But these things come and bang though, so you get something. Somebody told me, that technology is advanced, saying they are teaching Vedanta in with PowerPoint projection. I asked him, do they point out this is Atma? Then Saran there. Why so much of sadhanas, etc.? This is Atma. The person started laughing. PowerPoint projection. This is Atma. This is Brahma. All is run. All is run. Mano Swamiji, one day will come. What? Will present you what? Atma. Namaskara, sir. Our salutation to you. You know not what you are talking, that's okay. That's you don't know what is Atma, you don't know what is Brahma. So thank you. Say, therefore it says, now in the big sentence, let us see the order of the prose essay. Chitritaha pataha iva. Like a painted piece of canvas or a cloth. Canvas is better because canvas is necessary for, otherwise no. Panchadashi is there. Take a cloth, starch it. Starching is what? Making a canvas. Otherwise it will not pick up the colors. So pataha iva. So what is it? Tatha sanskritam tanmanaha. The mind, sanskrita, prepared, colored. Tatha means what? As per the Jagrat Vasana. Means colored by the Jagrat Vasana. Sanskritam manaha tanmanaha. What is that? Avidya kama karma bihi preryamanam. Preryamanam, motivated, prompted by what? Avidya kama karma bihi. By the avidya kama karma. Means those samskaras are there. Which samskaras? Making state. But only because those samskaras are all don't get projected. See, when you get dream, only few of them get projected. There are any number of samskaras. Why these only got projected? Avidya kama karma. Because of your karma of the past, papa punya is there, and therefore what? That type of, because in dream either you enjoy or you suffer. At times such dreams are such horrible dreams as such. Even sleep, to get a sound sleep, do you know what is that? Punya must be there. The person doesn't get the sleep at all. Like Ramana Maharshi said, he said, sound sleep. Once he sleeps means nobody. That's why when there's a boy, boys they quarrel, etc., beat others, etc. Other one wants to teach him a lesson, but when he's awake he can't do because they're very strong. In the sleeping they should thrash him. He was unaware of what is happening. So anyway, the Papa Punyas activate certain types of samskaras, and you get that particular type of what? Dream. So therefore I say, avidya kama karma bhi preryamanam. The dream, the world which is prompted by ignorance, desires, karma, karma phalas, so papa punya. And it is how bahya sadhanan apeksham. Anapeksham, independent of external sadhanas. Independent of external sadhanas. Bahya sadhanan apeksham. So it is independent of that. Therefore what? Jagradvat avabhasati. It appears as though what? Jagrad. In the dream, do you know it is a dream? If in the dream, if you know the dream, what will happen? Suppose you are going somewhere and there was a paper tiger looking exactly like the tiger, and you know that it is what? Paper tiger. Are you afraid? You enjoy. Is it not the beauty of it? eyes, etc. Exactly like that. Like that, in the dream, if you come to know that dream tiger is a dream, not actual tiger, but dream tiger, are you afraid? But you know you are running. Running for what? Ran and ran and ran and ran and ran. And unfortunately, what happened? You came to the edge of a cliff. And you are, by sheer force, before you could stop, doom. You know who is that? Ice cold Ganges is flowing. And you fell back in the cold Ganges. The cold touch woke you up. Abba. Why? Neither the tiger is there, nor the cliff is there, nor my fall is there, nor ice cold Ganges is there. But in sleep, all are real or not? So that means the case. Suffering and enjoyment is there. Papa punyas are there. So that's why they sometimes they say, no, Dussapna. Dussapna nashvanaya. To end the bad dreams. In some cases they harass like anything. Depends on the past prarabdha. So therefore it says, Jagrat vad avabhasate. The dream, that is what these sanskaras appear as though the waking state experiences. This is what Bhashyakara has explained us. He is now corroborating, that is, that what he has told so far, what they have told so far, Swapna is Jagarita Vasana Janyam. Swapna is born of what? Vasanas, samskaras, latent impressions, born of the waking state. He is now corroborating it from quotations from elsewhere, other Upanishads.
तथा च उक्तम अस्य लोकस्य सर्वावतो मात्राम अपादाय इति
तथा च उक्तम. Accordingly, it is said where in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 4:3-9. Its previous portion is like this. Saha yatra prasvapiti. Saha yatra prasvapiti. This phrase is before this quotation. Then asya lokas asya sarvavataha lokasya matram apadaya. Upadaya is there? Any other word? Apadaya. Yes, apadaya, correct. Matram apadaya. Apadaya means apachidya, grihitva, I will taken to. So that is, let us see that portion first. Saha. Saha. That in that, what is that? Brihadaranyaka, Swayam Jyoti Atma is under discussion. Saha is what? The Swayam Jyoti Atma, about whom the discussion is going on. With this Atma, is Swayam Jyoti. What do you mean Swayam Jyoti? You are Swayam Jyoti or Parat Jyoti? Like somebody knows, some person greatness is because of father-in-law. Paranjyoti. Somebody on their own feet they are what? They are great. So not that way. Okay. Swayam. Jyoti, knowledge principle by itself not depend on anything. You know, I've seen this, there are some Swayambhu Lingas, Shiva Lingas. Swayambhu means what? Self-existent means not established, not pratisthapita, not consecrated. Certain things, Mahabaleshwar, Swayambhu Linga. Even at the time of Pandavas it was there. At the time of the Pandavas also Swayambhu. Like there's some Ganapati, no? On this old, it has come, nobody has consecrated it. So here it is, that Swayam Jyoti. In English we can put it as what? Self-evident. Saprakasha. Like sun is what? Self-luminous. What about the moon? Not self-luminous. Paraprakasha. Borrow the light from whom? Sun. But sun doesn't borrow the light from anyone. Itself is self-luminous. So like that. This is knowledge principle by its very nature. Look, your indriyas, sense organs, do they give you knowledge or not? You are hearing knowledge. Mind, is it capable of giving knowledge or not? Yes. But these cannot do on its own. They need to be backed up by what? Chaitanya. Chidabhasa. Then they are capable. Just as water is non-luminous. Water can't illumine. But if sun gets reflected in the bucket of water, it illumines. Paraprakasha. I am. It is a self-evident knowledge, self-evident experience. I am. Do you experience or not? If you don't experience, I will have to think twice of it. Self-evident, I am is experience. But what I am in reality, don't ask for the time. What Shruti says, what Upanishad says, I am asamsari paramananda. And you also repeat like the parrot. What is it? I am asamsari, free from samsara, paramananda. But your face shows what you are in reality. Then what has happened? Either you must be wrong or the Shruti must be wrong. According to you, we are wrong, of course. You heard that. Openness of the mind to admit your mistake. Very good. Okay. Because that antakarna is not ready. That's why if antakarna is ready, you are on the Sarupa. There will not be a doubt at all. No further question at all. Because antakarna is so that it discovers it. It is not there for what? It has to be prepared. And actually, delay in gaining Atma-jnana is only on account of lack of readiness of the mind antakarna. Otherwise, knowledge has to take place in Shravana only. I was wondering, I read some Upanishads, etc. No, not this common 10, etc. Some Gitas and all. One start, and this person lost in the Swarupa. What about us? Every time, Swamiji, what is the next? What is the next text? What is the next step? Why? Mind is not ready. Mind is not ready. See, have you ever come across any branch of knowledge in any university all over the globe insisting on sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, especially vairagya, and then dharma acharana, life given to dharma. Anyway, you see, most brilliant scholar, his conduct may be what? According to Shastra, the worst, but intelligence, super. I would name one eminent scientist. Somebody said, if present day journalists were there, they would have exposed his bad habits. I would name the scientist. They would expose the bad habit to God. Olden days journalists were not there. Even many great politicians. Now the journalism has such a thing that before somebody does, they want to, they point out, etc. But Nobel laureate, intelligence is what? Intact. Vedanta. What is it? Viveka, Vairagya, Shabadamadi Shatka Sampatti, Mumukshutva, Shuddhanta Karana, Chitta Naishchalya, Amanitvadi. What for all this? Because the disposition must be in such a way that it reflects your Swarupa in its true nature, real nature, without attributing to itself the features of accompanying upadhi. You are relinquishing all the upadhi which reflect in the antakarana. Look here. So long as you are aware of the waking state, have you got body consciousness or not? All problems of bodies are we experiencing or not? Dream. Physical body is what? Out. Are you suffering when you physical body? No. Suppose a patient of cancer, terminal case, if at all he sleeps, no pain at all. But what you have got? Dream sorrows you have got. When you sleep, no subtle body. Dream sorrows are there. But what is that? Karana Sharira, causal body is there. Get rid of it as per the Vedanta by Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana. You know what you are? You are what you are, Paramananda Swarupa. So therefore, Vedanta is not cock and bull. It has a definite methodology. How you have to prepare your mind and then explore. And once discovered, it is for everest. So that it says, now this Saha, with the Saha, Prakritaha Swayam Jyoti. This Swayam Jyoti, which is under discussion where in the Brihadaranyaka 439, from where the quotation is given, Saha. Yatra. Yatra means where. Where means it can be at what place or at what time. Yasmin sthane, yasmin kale. At what place or what time. Means whenever. Okay. Whenever and wherever. See, look. Once you sleep, very soundly, whether you are sleeping on cozy bed or hard footpath is immaterial. Is it not? If you are sleeping, wherever and whenever, whatever time, night, daytime, in the class, outside the class. So that is that. So no, that is yatra. What does he do? Praswapiti. So praswapiti means prakarshena swapam anubhavati. Now the context here is only swapna. Swapa can be sleep, swapa can be dream. So where is that? When he dreams, the context is of dream. This is the earlier portion of this. Now let us see the actual quotation given by Bhashyakara. Asya lokasya, of this perceptibly available jagat. Asya lokasya. This world is remote for you. That world is which world? Heavenly world is what? This world, every moment by moment you are undergoing the experience. So the asya lokasya means which the jagarita lakshanasya. This world characterized by waking state, or you can take asya lokasya as jagrad dehasya, of this waking body, the gross body. What does it do? That saha, that swayam jyoti, atma, what does it do? Say, sarvavataha matram apadaya. Sarvavataha. Actually, sarvam avati iti sarvava. One who protects everything. That's one way. The better way is like this. Sarva sadhana sampatti asmin asti iti. All sadhana sampatti means what? All means of action and means of knowledge he has got. Who has got it? Waking entity, not dream. He is Sarvavan. That is, not Sarvavan. Sarvavan. See, Sarva, what is that? Sadhana sampatti. All means of knowledge and action. The one who has got asmin in the waker, if they are there, that way is called Sarvavan. One is what pratyaya? Matu pratyaya. One. And Sarvavan itself grammatically means Sarvavan. There is no much change in the meaning, but the formation changes. Sarvavan. So therefore of this lokas, that is what? Waking state, jagat, or waking state body, which is the what? Which is endowed with all the means of action, all the means of knowledge in terms of jnanendriyas and karmendriyas. One meaning. Other meaning is sarvam avati. One who protects everything or nourishes everything, in a sense, by yagas, by performance of sacrifices, who nourishes the devas. In the sacrifices, what does he offer? Havish, sacrificial offering offered to devas. So therefore, devas get their nourishment from who? This human being who does the sacrifice. That's why in Brihadaranyaka 1:4-10 it said, Devanam Pashu. This human is called what? Pashu. Cattle of who? devatas. And you say, see, a cowherd doesn't like that even a single cow from his herd separates and goes independently. It lost for him. Like that, devas don't like that you get after them. I'm not joking. One for them, brother. And you know what they do? They pose obstructions. They pose obstructions. Now they are posing obstructions. For everyone, everything is what? For ourselves. So then already we have got deficiencies, and then these devas add to it. It is not a formidable obstruction. Why? That's why it is a sacred precept that before learning or before the teaching starts and after the teaching ends, we offer prayers. Om Bhadrang Shanti Shanti Shanti. You have seen that? Afterwards also prayer. You know why? Prayers are of who? Ishvara. Human we and Devatas are who? Ishvara. When he protects, what is the plight of Devatas? Where are they? So therefore, prayers are necessary. We don't know how many slips are there between the cup and the lip. You know English. Between the cup and the lip, how many slips are there? That Ishvara takes care. Therefore, prayers are indispensable. You see, even in sannyasa, the one who is taking sannyasa gives abhaya pradana, granting of fearlessness to all devatas starting from Indra. Oh Indra, you did not get scared of me. I am not a contestant for you. You are posed. I am not a Indra. That's why a sannyasi is not a competitor in the society. Bearing something for sustenance of the body, that's all. He is not a competitor. So he has given that abhaya. And how abhaya? Witness. Witness is there. Do you know who is the witness? Surya. Like your marriage witness. Who is the witness? Agni. Sapati. Agni is the witness. So like that. Like that, Surya is the witness. He says, O you devatas, abhaya, abhaya. So that what please don't interfere. Please don't interfere in my affairs. Don't pose any obstacle. Vidyarthini, in the Kathopadisha Vivarana, 11th chapter of Anubhuti Prakasha, he brings this point. And he says, such good, that is both Guru and Shishya, who offer such prayers with all earnestness are rare. Rishis we do. Oh, Bhadrakarni we should do. We do that. But that Shraddha must be there. That devotion must be there. Ishvara must be moved. Oh, here is a very serious student. I showed you. Your karma it is. Karma phala. Half-hearted karma. half our grandfather. Pro rata, less. So that will say here, Sarvavata. That is what they are like that is such ignorant people are like the cattle of the Devata. But it can be overcome by prayers to Ishwar. There is nothing to be that something not unavoidable thing, etc. And once Ishwara's grace is there, then what will they do? They will also start helping because they want to be in good books of they want to be the good books of Ishvara. They will start helping us. So there is Sarvavataha. Sarvavataha means of this waking state body which protects everything, endowed with all the instruments of action and knowledge. It's Matram Apadaya. Matra means here lesha, little portion. What is portion? Vasanas. Little portion is about vasana. This is what? Vasana. Apadaya. Apadaya means grihitva, apachidya, having taken to oneself. Swapiti. So that is the apadaya. Afterwards it comes there. Swapiti. Swapiti. What is the swapiti? Experiences the dream predominantly characterized by vasanas. By vasana, waking body, waking jagat are not there, only its vasanas are taken into account. Matra vasana pradhanam swapnam anubhavati. Experiences. Swapnam has to be added. So that for this, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad also corroborates that dream is based on what? Waking state vasana. Further, another quotation from Prashnopanishad is being given to substantiate the same thing.
तथा परे देवे मनसि एकी भवति इति प्रस्तुत्य अत्र एषः देवः स्वप्ने महिमानम् अनुभवति इति अथर्वणे.
Atharvane means the Upanishad belongs to Atharvana. Is that Prashnopanishad. Prashnopanishad, fourth Prashna, second mantra. Tatha, so also, another quotation from Prashnopanishad. Pare Deve Manasi. So that what happens now? This Paradeva. Who is Paradeva? Mind is called as Paradeva. Why is called Deva? Dyotanatmaka. One who is resplendent because mind is what? Antakarana vritti. Very close to who? Chaitanya. In between nothing is there. Sakshat. Sakshat. See, this word Sakshat you should know. Direct. Direct means what? Uninterrupted. Sakshatkara. Brahma Sakshatkara. Atma Sakshatkara. What does it mean? Direct Atma means the more Jiva and Atma, there is nothing. See, look. This is translated as you know what is that? Brahma Sakshatkara. Understanding of Atma Brahma. Direct or indirect? I used to tell, no, many years back, I used to pass through Andheri telephone exchange. I had to go somewhere. One day I noticed that gate, Buddhist border. From this time to this time, साक्षात्कार का समय, वरिष्ठ अधिकारी, सीनियर ऑफिसर्स. So time of साक्षात्कार with who? Keep the word as it is now, but time of साक्षात्कार with the superior officer. I started scratching my from where? Now I find they know better. Instead of those who are translating Brahma Sakshatkara as the understanding of Atma. What is meant by Sakshatkara? Interview. Interview is what? You are one with what? One. One to one. In between no one. Not that boss is sitting there and you report to the clerk and then he goes. No. You are directly going to the boss. One to one. That is what Brahma Sakshatkara answer. One to one between whom? Jiva and Brahma. And when Jiva becomes one to one with Brahma, Jiva disappears. What remains is what? Brahma only remains. Even otherwise, being born in this culture, Bharatiya culture, Indian culture, I have not heard this word साक्षात्कार. उसको भगवान का साक्षात्कार हो गया. प्रहलाद जी को नारायण का साक्षात्कार हो गया. Is it not? What does it mean? Narayana was what? Just in front of him without any intervention between. Suppose somebody says Upasana. Upasya Devata Sakshatkar. What is that? Direct vision of Upasya Sakshat. So what is that? Now, Atma Sakshatkar means you are direct without any intervention. Even the least trace of Akhandakara Vritti also is not. What you are is you are. So Sakshatkar. Okay. So therefore he says, so here in this, in the mind, all what happens. So this, yes, para. Para is what? Superior. Superior to what? Mind is superior to all senses. Because sense organs and organs of action can function provided what is there? Mind is there. That is one reason. Other reason is no. This mind is a upadhi. But what type of upadhi? Very close to Sakshi. Sakshat. Nothing in between. And when it is very close to Sakshi, superior or not? Even the minister's dog sitting in a Mercedes car, everybody respects. Why? It belongs to who? Minister. Like that. Very close to Sakshi. It is in avatars come now. Those who are very close physically, they get certain strength by just proximity of the greatness of who? That is why what Krishna did. Yadavas have become so powerful. So long as Krishna is there, they abide by dharma. Once Krishna leaves, so he made a provision. Provision in terms of who? Gandhari's curse. Don't think. In fact, Krishna must have thanked her when she gave the curse. Otherwise, he had to take another avatar to finish this thing. Close to who? Sakshi Chaitanya. Param Devati Devi Manasi Eki Bhavati. So all this what? Jagrata Prajna becomes. We'll see more about it next time. One thing, on YouTube and Facebook, Bhagavad Gita from the first chapter is uploaded. Uploading was from 5th chapter up to presently 9 chapters going on. 1 to 5th chapter is uploaded here on the both Facebook and the YouTube, that is one thing. Again, Kathopanishad was partly uploaded, and Kathopanishad also is what? Uploaded completely from the beginning with the Bhashya. Besides that, we are uploading certain this Puris Sukta, Rudra, etc., etc. You can make those who would like to can make use of it. That is one thing. Other thing is, once I said, please read my article, Is Desire Desirable? And I told that it is there on our website, Rubhu Vasishta, RUBHUVASISHTHA @wordpress.com. By mistake, it was not uploaded. It is uploaded now. Okay, you can make use of that. And few other things which are not uploaded. There, from time to time, just surf this. What is that website? You'll get many interesting articles.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ
Oh.